thank you all once again for tuning into this very serious matter. Welcome back to the beginning of Part 4 in the Donna Kirkland court case in the Marshall County Circuit Court in Guntersville, Alabama. Now, again, to FBI agent Melissa Dunning. Melissa, pay attention. Now, all of America and Alabamians are now watching you, and they're watching the court. And here is what the Marshall County judges, Brenda Barnes, and the money of People's State Bank of Commerce have cooked up and have planned are going to do to Donna Kirkland to silence and permanently get rid of her testifying to the truth in the Marshall County courtroom on June 19th of this year, 2013. Donna Kirkland is entitled to a jury trial. But of course, Marshall County judges won't allow that to ever happen, even though these judges, by deception, charged Donna Kirkland criminally on behalf of Brenda Barnes and the People's State Bank, utilizing county prosecution of all things for a demonic civilian Brenda Barnes in what was supposed to be a private civil matter. Donna Kirkland will never be allowed her fair day in court by a real due process jury trial. The Marshall County Court is a setup, Melissa Dunning. Donna will not get to do any discovery, none. She will not be allowed to cross-examine witnesses. Donna will not be allowed to call her own witnesses. Donna will not have reasonable counsel of her own choice by her side. There will be a closed courtroom against Donna Kirkland. No one else will be allowed inside to hear this hearing, especially the media. Ask yourself why that is. Why is that concealed and covered up? That answer is the only evidence one needs to have to know something is very wrong with this picture. Answer is the judges themselves have a lot to hide from the FBI, so they operate their court in the shadows behind closed doors where you and a team of FBI agents need to be, but aren't. What you will see is Public Defender Attorney Michael Stevens will be the only one allowed to speak at the court hearing, mind you, on June 19th of this year, 2013, and in conjunction with a single-handed judge, Mitchell Floyd, along with Public Defender Michael Stevens, who will be speaking in place of Donna Kirkland. Donna Kirkland will not ever be allowed to speak in due process terms at all and not ever given a jury trial, but rather Donna Kirkland will be predominantly gagged to speak and is being forced into an unconstitutional hearing staged before a single-handed conspirator, Judge Mitchell Floyd, who is putting false words in Donna's mouth she did not say or gave her free will and complete voluntary permission to say or do. But rather, Judge Mitchell Floyd, the court, will order Donna into forced submission to sign papers under full pain and duress to a guilty plea bargain she is not guilty of, and to submit or else suffer worse physical punishment from jail deputy employees. Marshall County judges and bank CEO Brenda Barnes cannot afford nor ever allow a jury to hear Donna Kirkland speak in open court. Their conspiracy crimes will become immediately apparent to banking fraud, securities fraud, mortgage fraud, organized crime and racketeering, and blow their cover-up wide open, Melissa Dunning. June 19th, 2013 court hearing is on resisting arrest, as I'm told the charge will be against Donna Kirkland. How does one resist arrest when there's no subject matter jurisdiction or standing to establish a lawful arrest warrant, Melissa Dunning? June 27th of this year, 2013, another court hearing, I'm told, will take place on all their other numerous charges against Donna Kirkland. Again, how does any of this fly legally without standing or subject matter jurisdiction? They never had it, and they can't acquire it. Without such FBI or we the people power to an intervention to protect, save Donna from further harm or death will result in Donna being imprisoned for at least a year or more, where they will force Donna Kirkland to sign over all the rest of her property to the Marshall County judges and Brenda Barnes by criminal force in a compelled order against Donna's will to submit to criminal charges she did not commit in a guilty plea bargain agreement or else. Now, to all of you criminals named in this video, meet me face to face in the full light of day. in front of TV news cameras in a public forum with an audience and refute, rebut, disprove anything I have said to my face with bona fide proof evidence. You can't, as it is an excellent oil poured out over me as I tell the truth as a true witness, the whistleblower, that you will curse my name from your pit in hell, held in your own judgment against yourself for eternity. Amen. FBI, you are now guilty as all the sin of this world itself and stand before America accordingly. America, Alabamians, please call FBI agent Melissa Dunning in the Birmingham, Alabama office at 205-279-1464. I wouldn't be the least bit surprised if they deny her existence by this time and they've transferred her to Siberia. Folks, I leave you all with this ultimate answer to test of truth in the law. The U.S. Constitution is the origin and the controlling supreme law document over all judges' authority and power, found at Article 6, 2, and 3, called the Supremacy Clause and Judicial Oath to the U.S. Constitution, that all judges have sworn an oath to protect, defend, honor, and obey. All municipal, state, county, and federal judges are completely bound by this controlling law, which is commanded with absolute 100% mandatory duty. Judges must obey, written in solid stone. Therein, judges cannot act single-handedly to adjudicate diddly squat, and constitutional rights cannot under any type of circumstance be waived. But yet you see single-handed judges on the benches everywhere USA in violation, total violation of the U.S. Constitution controlling law. Since this is the controlling supreme law of the land, why is the FBI and everyone else allowing judges to walk all over them in closed, sealed courtrooms in secrecy, putting innocent people like Donna Kirkland permanently in jail and in prison for long sentences when only a jury has the power granted to them to do such a thing? Juries only have the power to decide facts, the evidence, and especially determine the law used itself and whether or not the law itself is lawful, and to decide the law to be applied, if any. Judges cannot do this, period. America, Alabamians, read the Constitution. Read the U.S. Constitution. Judges cannot do this. Yet you see single-handed judges on the bench everywhere before you. Don't continue to allow them to do this to you. I ask all of America, Alabamians, people of Marshall County, as we the people of the Constitution, the Holy Bible, and Jesus, to please go and let your voice be heard to the Marshall County, Alabama courthouse, that what they are doing to Donna Kirkland is wrong, unconstitutional, and in fact completely criminal. If none of you will stand up for Donna Kirkland, remember that you or someone you know will soon be next, and it will be too late for you to suffer the same similar fate. Court dates are June 19th of this year, 2013, and June 27th. Please help. Please speak out for justice for Donna Kirkland. God bless you all, and thank you for tuning in.